So let's say you wanted to get really fancy and impress your earth science teacher, and you want to select an image from a website and paste it into your earth science assignment. How do you do that? It's easy. You use the snipping tool. Check it out. First thing you want to do, go down to your start menu. And then you want to scroll down to the Windows Accessories folder. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Click on that folder. Scroll down a little more, find that snipping tool. There it is. If you left click on it, it'll open up on your screen and you can use it from there. But I guarantee you, after you use this thing once, you're going to want to use it all the time. So here's what I suggest you do. Let's go back to that Windows Accessories folder. Find that snipping tool, and let's right-click on it this time. If you right-click on it, you can pin it to your Start menu, which is right over here. Or, if you go down to More, you can pin it to your taskbar, which is right down here. I'm going to pin it to the taskbar. And there it is. Whenever I need it, it's right there. I never have to go back into the Start menu and look for it. So check it out. I'm going to click on it, open it up. I'm going to click New because I want to do a new snip. And now the cursor is changed to a plus sign. I'm going to click and drag to select the image or the part of my screen that I want to paste into my earth science homework. All right, that's what I want. Boom, now it's on my clipboard. I'm going to go to that earth science homework, put the cursor where I want to paste it. I'll right click, select paste, and boom, there it is, right in there. Now if I left click on it to select it, I can resize it. There, Mr. Johnson ought to be pretty happy with that. Have fun with that snipping tool, kids. Let me know how it goes.